Wildlife Wednesday here on Coffee TV. Morris Knight and the education specialist, Miss Sarah Kramer at the Oakland Zoo, and we're now at the lemur exhibit. Remember earlier, we're actually at the primate kitchen preparing the lunches and the treats for the lemurs. Well, now we're here. We're actually seeing them, dig it out, which is pretty cool. Where do they actually get this stuff from, Miss Sarah?
After Halloween, we get thousands of pumpkins donated from local pumpkin patches. Some of our produce we do have to purchase in order to make sure that we have a steady supply and enough food for the animals, but we also accept donations.
Now, people don't just come up to the Oakland Zoo and drop stuff off. How do they go about doing that?
If you go to our website, there's a list of produce or things like baguettes, actually. Some of our animals love bread. There's contact information for our zookeepers so that you can arrange a drop-off.
That is awesome. And of course, they can always find all this information out online at oaklandzoo.org. It's your zoo.